Hey guys, here's Colin with AEX for a small tractor inspection video. So, like all of them, you just kind of go around a piece of equipment or trailer or truck. Make sure you get the hydraulic lines, pins and bushings, the rams, tires, check for dry rot, check for leaks, check the hour meter, make sure the seat's not dry rotted and things aren't broken, check the PTO, look at the rear tires. An overall inspection video, pretty simple. Obviously make notes in your listing if there are, ripped seats or something missing as a lever or something like that. But yeah, here's a small tractor inspection video for AEX. Have a good day.